everyone, welcome back to Love and Shimmer once again. I hope you guys are all doing absolutely fine, healthy and staying safe at home. So today's video I am going to talk to you guys about my hair care. I have always made a video on my skincare routine, but it's very rare that I've spoken about my hair care routine. So today I'm going to sit and talk to you guys about my hair care. So yeah, I have recently cut my hair because I was facing a lot of hair fall issues and I had a lot of split ends. I haven't trimmed my hair from past so many months. I guess it's been over a year that I haven't trimmed or given any cut to my hair, but finally I just wanted to give a change to myself. That's why I've just cut my hair. I've given a layer cut, but with that I was following a hair care routine very religiously, which has given me amazing results. So I wanted to share with you guys so that if any of you guys are following problems like me, then I thought it would be a very big help to you as well. So yeah, if you guys are interested to know more, then please keep on watching. My hair care routine has been very simple from my teenage time. It has been always this weekly twice oiling and shampooing and conditioning my hair. So I have been using this oil which is a brand from Kerala. It's called Dhatri. So I have been using that brand from past 10 years now, and I would not say that it has done wonders to my hair, but yes, to an extent it has helped my hair to grow really well. I really had long hair till my waist, but I have just cut my hair right now. It's till my shoulder now. But yes, that oil has really helped me to grow my hair. I would like to put a disclaimer that I am in no way promoting Dhatri. Dhatri hasn't sponsored me. I'm just telling my hair care routine. So yeah, I have been using that oil from a very long time. Maybe it would not be suitable for a lot of girls out there or even boys, but for me it worked good. So yeah, for oiling I use the Dhatri oil. And coming on to shampoo and conditioner, I have always changed my shampoo conditioners. Sometimes it would be L'Oreal, sometimes it would be Tresemme. I have always experimented with it. Maybe that's why I was facing a lot of hair fall problems. But from past 2 months, I have been using this set of shampoo, condition and serum from one brand, and that brand is named as Freewill. I leave the link in the description box. You can find more details about it on their website. So this particular brand, what they do is they formulate hair products according to your hair type and hair concerns. So first when I got into their website, they asked me a lot of questions about my hair, like do I have dry scalp or what problems I'm going through. So I mentioned all my problems. I mentioned what type of hair I have and what problems I have been facing from a long time. So they formulated this amazing shampoo, conditioner and serum for me especially. And what they do is they formulate the shampoo, conditioner and serum keeping in mind all these concerns. Also they had an option of choosing fragrance as well as the color. So the shampoo color which I chose was pink, because pink is my favorite color. The best part of this kit is that it's formulated for you, so they mention your name as well, which is so nice. It makes you feel so special actually. So my name is specified here as Maria's. So this is Freewill shampoo and it's actually formulated in USA. They have mentioned it here. As you guys can see, I have used it quite a bit. I really love it. So yeah, this is the shampoo they send out. Then they send out this Freewill conditioner. Again, they have mentioned the name on the bottle. So this conditioner is a 150 ml of product and shampoo is a 250 ml of product. Then they have sent a small bottle of serum as well. This is 30 ml of product and this contains vitamin E and argan oil. So they had sent me out these products keeping in mind all the safety protocols by sanitizing the products, and also I had no delay in receiving the products. Like in a week or so I received. So telling more about my experience with this brand, I absolutely love it. I actually feel like I have found my perfect shampoo and conditioner for my hair type. So yeah, it has made my hair way healthier. It's very bouncy. I had very thin hair due to my hair fall problems, but right now it's very bouncy, very fluffy, and also after applying the serum it adds a very beautiful shine on your hair. So yeah, I had an amazing experience with Freewill. So the main objective of this brand is that they want to introduce personalization in hair care, which is a really good thing because every person in this world has different hair types, different hair concerns. It all varies according to our lifestyle, the place where we live. So it's really important that we use products according to our concerns and hair types, or according to our lifestyle. So this was the idea which got me in buying this kit. So I was really happy and satisfied, and I'm really looking forward to buy another kit. I'm not going to switch on different shampoos and conditioners from now on, because I think I have found my perfect shampoo and conditioner. So yeah, this was my honest review and experience about Freewill. If you guys want to know more about the brand, or if you want to take an assessment on your hair, then I'll just leave the link in the description box. You can just click on the website and they'll take you to the assessment, and then they will tell you what type of product you need for your hair. So the whole kit with the shampoo, with the conditioner and serum will cost you around 1,850 rupees. I also have a coupon code for you which will give you a 10% off if you purchase the kit. So I'll mention the code on the screen as well as in the description box. If you guys want to purchase, then you can get a 10% off on it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was my very simple hair care routine. I do not do much of anything else like applying hair mask or anything, because I honestly don't have time. So this was my simple hair care routine, which is oiling twice a week, shampoo, conditioner and serum. Then I do the blow dry, and if I have some function or something, then I go for straightening. Also lifestyle is important, so yeah, I maintain a good diet as well, so that it helps me to promote hair growth and I have a healthy hair. So yeah, this was it. This is a very simple and basic hair care routine of my own. I hope you enjoyed the video. So yeah, this was all about today. I hope you enjoyed it. Do hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Mwah.